Suranjali Foundation was started 2 years back with the intention of promoting art and culture. We specially dedicate these events in the memory of Bhimsen Joshi, who is a Bharat Ratna for us and also one of the topmost musicians of India. So we had two festivals, one last year in February, this year we had in April in his memory. We hope to have more events. This is a fusion event which we started from last year. Roop Kumar Rathod is a very topmost playback singer and Ronu Muzumdar is a great artist in his own way. So they are going to come together and have this program. Objective is to promote art and culture, and apart from bringing big artists, we would like to promote younger artists so that they can find a stage to come up and perform. At the moment, nothing much, but hopefully we may build a corpus so that we are able to help younger artists who do not, maybe give scholarship also to youngsters. Tomorrow, hopefully with your grace and if people come, we will be too happy. We are doing this for a cause. As you know, we are doing this for the children suffering from autism. Many people do not know what autism is, but we felt there is a great need to help the children suffering from this. A part of the amount we get, we will be giving it to children's cause. I have been into this field from 1969 when we started a circle called Sur Mandal. We were blessed by Pandit Ravi Shankar and Pandit Jasraj and Ustad Amjad Ali, Nikhil Banerjee. They all come and performed for us. And we used to have what is called Spirit of Freedom morning concert, which was sponsored by VST Industries. It's one of the topmost cigarette company based in Hyderabad. But when you call it Spirit of Freedom, we did not promote cigarettes in that. It was just a concept by the owners of VST. We had started with Ustad Bismillah Khan, all morning concerts, where we did not give any chairs for the people to sit. We made them sit on the floor. That is in 1988. But nowadays, people are not able to sit on the floor, even though they are young. In fact, today, if you ask me, I sit on the floor to listen to music at my age of 77. But today, I find children who are 20, 25, they want to keep a chair for themselves. God willing, we'll stick to this festival, which will be in February for 3 days, and this fusion music sometime in June, July. Thank you.